In this lesson, we're going to take a look at using the scale command to scale geometry in the drawing. Before we get started, let's make sure that polar, entity snap, snap tracking, and dynamic input are all turned on. Now, as we zoom into the end of this bolt, we can see a very small representation of a hex nut. We need to scale this up 25.4 units, which is the equivalent of inches to millimeters. So we're going to select that nut, and then the next thing to do is define the base point for the scale. In this case, it'll be the center or middle of that vertical line. And we're going to scale this up again 25.4 times, and now that hex nut could be moved into position. Repeating the scale command, now we're going to scale this LCD monitor using a reference dimension. So the first thing that we're going to do after selecting the base point is choose the reference option, and then we're going to define the height of the monitor by selecting 2 points. Next, we're going to enter 808, and the geometry will be scaled up equal to 808 millimeters. In this example, we'll demonstrate how to use the same workflow to scale an aerial photograph. So zooming into the photograph, I'm going to select the scale command and select the photograph. Next thing we do is define the base point. Then we're going to select reference on the prompt menu and select 2 points on the image that represent 100 feet. And we're going to enter a value and press enter. Now the aerial photograph is scaled and ready to be positioned. This completes our lesson on scaling objects in BricsCAD.